Welcome to Foxtecc, everyone. Here's another tutorial I have for you guys. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to turn off Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch. This can be useful if you want to conserve battery life or if you prefer to manage your network connections differently on your watch compared to your iPhone. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that when your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, it uses your iPhone's network and connections. The settings on your Apple Watch serve as a secondary way to manage these connections. This means you can tailor the Wi-Fi settings on your watch independently from your iPhone if needed. To turn off Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch, start by pressing the crown button. This will take you to the app screen or clock face, depending on where you last left off. From here, tap on the settings icon. The settings icon looks like a small gear, and it's where you can adjust various settings for your Apple Watch. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and select Wi-Fi. This will open the Wi-Fi settings where you can see the network your watch is currently connected to. Tap on your current Wi-Fi network to access more options. In the Wi-Fi settings, you'll see an option called Auto Join. This feature determines whether your Apple Watch will automatically connect to known Wi-Fi networks. To turn off Wi-Fi, toggle the Auto Join button to disable it. This will prevent your Apple Watch from automatically joining Wi-Fi networks and essentially turn off its Wi-Fi connectivity. After you've toggled off the Auto Join feature, press the crown button again to return to the app screen or watch face. This ensures that your changes are saved and that you're back to the main interface of your watch. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and turn off Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch. Remember, while your watch will primarily use your iPhone's network when connected, adjusting these settings gives you more control over how and when your watch connects to Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Peace.